Look at it, real close under the light.
It's just an extra opportunity to reaffirm what I want to do for the future.
You got it. Done! Done!
Getting experience is important, so I don't just wait until I'm at the end of college.
The experience itself was incredible.
Anybody have an idea for number 3?
Being able to be around younger people and teachers as well, and kind of knowing what they go through on a day-to-day basis is really awesome. And it just really prepares you for what I want to do, is to be a teacher, which is a passion of mine.
Before this class, it was kind of just a big thing and I didn't know how to go about it. And this class just kind of set the foundation, being like, I can actually thrive in this thing and I have a place here. It built my confidence up where I can be a better future educator one day.
This has been our first year with educational leadership here at Union High School. The class is designed with 2 days of classwork with me on Mondays and Fridays, and then on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, students go out into the district in residencies. We have students right now placed at 9 different sites, from kindergarten classrooms all the way to high school classrooms. So we really try to put students in residencies that fit their needs.
The first semester I was at the high school, and second semester I've been at Jarman. I am with Mrs. Volmer and Mrs. Kidd. I've always wanted to be a teacher, and so I was gonna have a completely different schedule. I was gonna do Tulsa Tech this year, but then I found out they were doing this class, and I was like, well, I want to do this instead.
She's so fast.
She is so fast. Look at those letters grow.
Yeah, done.
I got to teach a lesson in my residency, and my mentor teacher even told me that one of the kids had said, this is the best math ever, and I thought that was really cool, because the reason why I want to be a teacher is because I just like helping people and making other people smile, make me smile. And so realizing that this kid was saying oh, this is the best thing ever, it makes me happy and it makes me want to keep teaching.
I've been with Miss Triggs and Miss Conway in geography at the 7th grade center.
Indonesia, perfect.
It's been an awesome experience. They're just showing me what they do and showing me how they manage a class personally and how I can implement that into hopefully my future classroom. I just didn't know what I was going to be for the longest time. I didn't know what I wanted to do. Not only was teaching something okay, yeah, that could be fun, actually seeing it, actually experiencing that and getting firsthand what that's like is just incredible. And I think that's really pushing me towards what I wanted to do, not only in college, but after that, and how I want to conduct myself and how I want people to see me and how I want to represent other people as well.
I went to Cedar Ridge this year and I worked with a 5th grade class. That age range is truly so special to me. It's where they're finding themselves, and they have such a big personality and they have so much love to share. And I just got to be a role model to these kids, and it was truly so inspirational. It's the hands-on experience that you don't get, and it really puts into perspective what it's going to be like.
Any of the 3 that apply to you. This is a leadership elective, so we start with the intersectionality between teaching and leading, and then we dive into some more granular classwork like lesson design and classroom management. Then we really focus on education policy, and we went to Oklahoma City and they met with lawmakers to discuss topics that were near and dear to their heart and topics that they hadn't really become experts in because of the research they had done. And we are now concluding the class with personal leadership and child development.
You get to see so much more than just teaching. I've done so much work outside of teaching, and I think that's an important thing to know before going into the working environment. Next year I'm going to go to UCO and I'm going to major in special education. And after, I think I'm probably going to come back to Union because I really like how they run their special education programs, and I think it'll be just really nice to stay here.
Going to TCC in the fall, political science major, and now I want to take my alternate in being a teacher. Probably something in American history and multicultural history as well. I do love that.
When you did come back and teach, do you have a certain district you want to teach for?
Union, of course. Yeah, absolutely, Union. I've just loved being here. But if not Union, probably go back to TPS I grew up going to TFPS schools, and I'd just be honored to teach anywhere, really.
This class has really set up an opportunity. We have like an internship over the summer with NSU that Miss Peterson told us about, and I'm gonna go to do that, and it's like a STEM camp over the summer, and I get hands-on experience working with actual teachers. And then I'm going to TCC and then transferring to NSU to get my elementary education degree. I think I would want to stay in Union. They totally have set up an opportunity. They love keeping on alumni, and yeah, I just want to do upper elementary and work with those kids.
This program would not exist without our mentor teachers. They are the backbone of the whole program. They've provided such great feedback, encouragement, and just been that real sturdy adult for our students. And I could not be more grateful to get to partner with our mentor teachers.
Mrs. Peterson is an incredible person. She's inspired me the most probably out of any of my teachers. Her class is wonderful. I've learned so much. We're doing so many things that in other classes you don't get the opportunity to do. So I'm really grateful for that, and she's worked so hard to put those things together.
More than anything, I hope that the students really take with them these durable skills that they've learned. I hope that they all become strong partners and voices for public education. And more than anything, I hope that they always remember that leading is teaching and teaching is leading. And I know that they're just going to make their corner of the world a better place.